Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to share something a little bit different, so let's get started. Another super cool thing that you can do with cabinet cards. So we can print them on this transparency. It's made particularly or specially for inkjet printers. So you have to be sure that you order the correct one. I got this one on Amazon and there are about 20 sheets. And it comes in a little folder and 20 sheets for about $13, so it's pretty economical. You've just got to remember that you want to print on the side that doesn't fog. So if you breathe your breath onto it and it fogs, don't print on that side. Otherwise the ink won't stick to it. So I'll put the link in the description so you can have a look on Amazon and see whether you'd like to purchase that also. So my quick tip is, once you print it, let it dry for at least an hour before touching or overnight. I've just printed out some random images also, and I'm going to use this one here and show you what I make with it in my journal. So I'm going to use some little frames and we're going to cut a hole in the middle. I think even up there would be perfect. I've just got to make sure we've got a double sheet. And I'm going to use my pencil just to trace round this frame. And that's going to show me what I need to cut out. Just so I keep this little word here in. It's perfect. And then we're going to cut through the next area. This way we can check all the borders are clean when we place that on. So I'll get some glue. Stick that on. And this one, I need to just trim a little more. choose our digital. And that way or that way. I like it this way. So she will go in here. Hope I've inspired you to go away and be creative. If you've enjoyed today's video, please hit the like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon again. Meg.